attaching a button to a slide of a harmonica is not a simple matter at all. The tine, that tine must fit absolutely perfectly into the hole, and there can be no space whatever between the two, which is a flaw that you'll find with a lot of button attachments, where it'll be cocked up a little bit on one side or doesn't really seat 100% on there, where it'll be up a little bit like that. Now in this case I'd marked the button with a green arrow, and that arrow coincides with exactly where it belongs on this slide. I'm gonna go ahead and increase the coloring on that so I can see it better. These alignment issues are very, very critical to doing this correctly. The next step is I've got this arrow pointing up here on the button, a green arrow, which shows me exactly where it belongs on the tine, because it fits so snugly it only works in certain orientations. And now I'm just putting a little bit of green marker on the same plane as the button so that they can remain perfectly aligned while doing the connection. I have a light, and I have magnifying glasses, and I have gloves, rubber gloves. You mix the epoxy, and then you apply the epoxy to the inside of the button, and then you put the tine in of the slide, and then you clean up everything so there's no goop sitting anywhere. And of course, I'll warn you, you can't really manhandle the slide at all. You very, very gentle touching of it so you don't bend it out of position. And now I'm going to mix my JB Weld materials here. Take your black compound there. Take the lighter colored, same amounts, 50-50. This is a glue which activates chemically. And back in the thing. You want to do this in a very well ventilated area. Now, mix them. Kind of makes a gray paste. Make sure you mix it thoroughly, like this. Okay, now the next thing is you take this button off, and we're going to have to fill that bottom hole with this glue. So it comes in. You have to make absolutely sure that it's filled in 100%. Okay, now to clean it, you would, the next thing I have to do, of course, is clean the tool quickly, because once this glue sets up, it does not let go. So I'm going to take and put that up here for now. I have this. Now I have to clean that glue off, and the easiest way is to run it on paper, right like that. And make sure there's none on the edge. Run it again. Make sure it's absolutely clean. Okay, now I can take the arrow on the button and line it up 100% with the green edge that I marked, and I simply insert the one into the other. Flip it around this way. Take paper and lift off the extra. Right like this. Here. Working it. Making sure the seat is 100%. Okay. Just scrapes it with the paper. Check the alignment. Make sure it is. Now, the next thing we're going to do is put this in a dry configuration, a drying configuration. And the way this is done is to come in here to a book right here. You can see it is exactly T squared. The lineup is 100%. This is such a tight fit, you couldn't even get it on wrong if you wanted to get it on wrong. And then all you do is slide the slide right into the book like this, so it's holding the slide up and down. Slides in there, it's in the book. It will not move. It's clean. No issues. That completes it.